year. So adjusting to a new living environment, and also adding to that, planning for a whole wedding. I want to get 10,000 people to follow me on YouTube. Hello, welcome and welcome back to this channel. My name is Nekesa. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If you're returning without subscribing, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and always leave a comment in the comment section. So today I'm going to talk about two random things. Not really random, but something that touches you and touches me. So, YouTube growth generally. It's been a journey, and 2025 has been awesome. So many activities, so many things, but growth also. So my YouTube channel has really grown, and it's because of you guys. If you guys couldn't come and watch and learn Kenyan Sign Language and just comment, ask questions, do all that, I wouldn't be where I am right now. But because of the love that you keep showing me, I'm so glad that you guys love me and love the content that I share with you. So my goal, my YouTube goal for the subscribers that I wanted to have by the end of 2025 was 10,000. Damn! Then it didn't happen. Nilikuwa naona tu November, December. Oh, it's going. Sure, it's good. But I've not gotten to 10,000 subscribers. But I got to a little over 9,000, which was a win, a good celebration for me altogether. Because I know that getting even like 5 subscribers in a month is so hard. It's not as easy as we think as YouTubers. And me still wanting to be in the group here, small YouTubers, I feel like my growth is very okay according to me. And I'm so happy. I'm grateful to God that I've gotten there. And right now, I want to give myself, I want to give myself target of getting to 10,000 before the end of June, the end of June, month 6. I want to get 10,000 people to follow me on YouTube. And I really pray that I'll get there. And I know that you guys are going to help me to get there. So that is the first random thing that I would want to talk about. I wouldn't want to put so much pressure on myself on matters in the year where I want to be. But I feel like if I get to 10,000, I know that growth will just come. It will just come. I'll just grow and I'll just get to wherever I'll get to. But deep down, I have a target somewhere. But I'm deciding not to tell myself out loud because I don't want to think of that part that I might not get there. But I'll just do small steps. Like right now, I'm telling myself by end of June, I have to have gotten to 10,000. That's less than 1,000 subscribers. And I believe that you guys are going to help me by sharing my videos. Then we will just catch all the people, Buana, and get there. Yeah. So another thing that made me not get to the 10,000s is because I had so many things in my mind last year. So I started the year with planning for my wedding. And yay! Of course, I got married. Oh my god! Wow! And it's good. And it's not, of course. Hey, by God's grace, by God's doing, by me accepting to be used by the Lord. I got married and right now I am with my husband. I'm so happy. A few months down the line and grateful, grateful, grateful. So I had very minimal time for myself and my things. And because I was supposed to go have meetings every weekend and every day I was in school, also knowing that this is the year that I had just gotten the internship where I'm working and it was my first year. So adjusting to a new living environment and also adding to that, planning for a whole wedding, it was a lot for me to tackle together with now YouTube. It was not easy. I tried a lot to see that I post videos on YouTube, but it wasn't easy. I really tried, and not getting to 1,000 subscribers. I feel like maybe that also did the undoing of getting the 10,000 subscribers. I know that if I would have been consistent, then YouTube would have shown my videos to so many other people, and also you guys keep sharing, commenting, and making my videos active. That would have made it so easy for me to get so many other subscribers to get to 1,000 to 10,000. But now, due to unavoidable circumstances, I was not able to get up to do those videos and edit them. My God, don't see this video here and think I just dressed up, sat down, and decided to yep, finish, then post. I have to edit, I have to plan first and see what I am going to post. After planning, I have to get a good place to do the shooting. And at that time, I was living in a double room that I didn't even have a chair. I didn't have anything. I just had some mattress up a corner and just some simple things because again, why do I need a lot of things? And I knew deep down that I would be getting married and would be doing like so many big purchases for the house and all. I didn't see the need of having so many things. So I had to find a place. I had to find a quiet place. I don't know if you guys are hearing some noises because I'm in the house and kids are running around and making noises and all that. But I couldn't get a good place to shoot the video, and after that, I couldn't get enough time to edit the videos and then post. It was just a lot. I had meetings online, I had meetings, physical meetings, I had other plans that I had to do by myself, like my bridal team, what they are going to wear, the groomsmen. I was doing all that. So many things, of course, if you have ever been a bride, if you have a plan of becoming a bride, be ready for it. If you have ever been a bride, you know the amount of time you put into the whole process before the wedding and the amount of pressure you can have. I can say I thank God that I didn't have a lot of stress, like dealing with the whole process before the wedding, because I had started planning myself on teeny tiny things like a year before uh 2025. So that was like 2024. With the start of 2025, I had started having ideas. So by the time I get to 2025, personal things, I had almost catered to all of them. So the only thing that needed to happen is putting them into action. But now the committee meetings, the whatevers, and I lived far from where I was supposed to do the meeting. So I had to like plan prior to the weekend, and there was a lot of traveling, there was a lot of activities and buying things a lot. So, guys, I couldn't be here all the time. I couldn't be consistent as I would have wanted to be. Because of that, I'm grateful, not complaining at all. I'm so grateful because it happened, and that is growth on my side, and I feel good right now. I'm a little bit settled now that I'm in a new place, living in a new place. We had to move and find a place that we would all be okay going to work and coming back. So I'm so happy that I'm able to do this video and just give you an update of what 2025 looked for me and how I am right now. And I believe that 2026 is going to be a good year. I'm going to create that time. I'm going to shoot those videos, even if I'll shoot and have 100 of them in my phone, then plan on how to edit them. I'll try and do that as much as I can. I'm planning to deal with shooting videos, if possible, almost every day in the evening so that I have several and then edit them and then post them, schedule them, and do that. I want my YouTube channel to be super active in 2026, and I believe I'll get to 10,000 subscribers by end of June, and then more and more and more by end of year. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.